part your hair, you will need 2 mirrors, rubber bands, a white tooth comb, parting pin, a toothbrush or an edge brush, and some form of moisture. I use the Mega Growth Oil and Hair Wonder. I start by putting a leave-in conditioner on my hair and spray it with water. I was supposed to put the water first, then spray it with the leave-in conditioner, but it works the same either way. Then I comb it out. And I just start parting without looking in the mirror or anything, just a freestyle part. And then I look into the mirror to see if it's straight, and then I straighten it. Once it's straight, I part vertically to make squares at the bottom, and then I tie it with a rubber band. For the top part, I part vertically in between 2 bottom parts, so that way it's called like the bricklayer method. And then I tie with a rubber band. It's basically the same process all over my head. That's just it. For the front part, I first of all part my sides till I can't see the part again anymore in the mirror. Then I go to the back. I use my thumb and my middle finger to feel both ends of the side parts, and then I connect it at the back. That's just how I do mine. And then I look into the mirror and I straighten it out. To get the perfect curve, I just curve my hand. That's just that's how I can explain it. I just curve the parting pin, and then I feel the thickness of the hair, and where it's thin I add more hair, where it's thicker I remove more hair from the parts. That's just how I do mine. That's how I can explain it to you. If you are doing a middle part, when it comes to the middle part, I don't know why this is just a tedious step for me, but I like to make sure my middle part is at the middle. And I like to make sure it's straight, so that's why it takes me so long. I start from the tip of my nose to know the middle of my face, and then go all the way back. Then I tilt my head to make sure it's half of my head, like half of my hair, and then I just fix it up. This takes a while for me. It took me like I think 15 minutes to get this middle part. My hair is really dense, so you can't see my scalp. But when you are parting the last two top parts, make sure they are aligned, like the squares are aligned. That way it looks very neat and it looks like you did it like professionally. It looks professionally done. You don't want people to be like, oh my gosh, you did your hair yourself. You want people to be like, where did you do your hair? So this is how it is. Since I'm not braiding my hair today, I braid it up into 4 parts so it stretches out the hair and so it's not painful. Then I tie it with a scarf and I put a bonnet on top. This way it's easier to sleep at night and it keeps the moisture in my hair. If you want to see the hairstyle that I did, make sure you check out this video right here where I give you a full-on tutorial on how to do the hairstyle. Thanks for watching.